Hi everyone, I'm Rishabh and today we are going to discuss about how to use Mistral in Laravel. Mistral is an AI company based in France. They specialize in creating fast and secure LLMs that can be used for various tasks such as chatbots and code generation. So we are going to showcase an example in Laravel-Bagisto. Bagisto is a popular e-commerce framework that is built on Laravel and handle the functionalities of Mistral in it. So normally to run Mistral, you need head of GPU, but using Olama, you can run this on local machine as well. So this is the official repository of Olama, and in the README file, they have the below instructions how to set up for the Mac OS, for the Windows, for the Linux. So right now we are going to install it for the Linux. So I'm simply copying this command and hitting it in our terminal. As you can see, the Olama is started downloading. Now you need to enter the credentials of your system as I have already installed it. So I am directly hitting the command to run the Mistral, that is Olama run Mistral. I am copying this command and entering it after Olama is set up. Now Mistral is running. Now I am entering some message like Bagisto Laravel. You can ask anything related to code generations and stuff. As you can see, the response is given by an AI, still in progress. Make sure you have a good memory allocation in your system because they contain a lot of space in memory to run that. As you can see, the response is given like Bagisto is an open source that is built on Laravel. It is taking much time right now. You can ask it over here. See, the response has been given. So now we are moving towards Bagisto. So this is the storefront of Bagisto, and this is the official admin panel of our Bagisto. So now you need to enable some configurations first to generating a Mistral content. So go into this configure option. You will able to see one Magic AI option there. Click onto that. Now you will able to see some general settings, content generations, image generation, review translations, and personalized checkup messages. So now you need to enable some all these configurations first. Now you have to select your model that we are going to use it. So right now we are using for the Mistral. Select Mistral here also. Now you need to enter your API key and LLM API domain. So this 11434 is fixed. You need to enter it after your domain as we are going to use it for the localhost right now. So you need to enter after that. Now save these configurations. All right, now we are going to create a one product, and we are going to generate a content or description through Mistral. Select your type, family. Now you will able to see this magic AI option there in the description and short description both. So we are going to generate a short description which we just enabled it from the configure. Select, click onto that, select your model, that is Mistral, enter the prompt like generate content for shirt. Now click onto, as you can see the content has been generated successfully. Now you have to click onto this apply button. Same, you can create it a description as well through the same process. So this is all about it. So don't forget to like, comment and share this video, and hit the bell icon for the upcoming notifications of upcoming videos. Thank you.